साड़ी का लेंगे। Hello and Namaskaram. Welcome to all the beautiful ladies to today's live session of Vara Mahalakshmi Silks. And in today's collection, I will be showing you all beautiful Kanchipattu sarees. So without wasting any further ado, let's start with the saree I'm wearing. As you can see, it is a very beautiful blue and green colored saree. It's very gorgeous, the combination of blue and green, with all over booty work on the body and a very rich border which is blue in color. Let's see the pallu, very beautiful intricate work. If you like this saree and wish to buy this, please take a screenshot and send it to our WhatsApp number, that is 8900010002. Let's move on to our next saree. It is a very beautiful combination of pink and sea green, ladies. The body having peacocks and floral booties in zari. Let's see the border having kadi with elephants and peacocks with florals. Looks so gorgeous. Let's see the pallu. Very beautiful pallu, kadi with elephants and peacocks with florals. The blouse of this is a contrast blouse. Let's see the details of the saree. Please do take a screenshot. And the item code for this saree is AO993 and the offer price is 7,920 only. Please do take a screenshot and send it to our WhatsApp number, that is 8900010002. Let's see our next saree. A very gorgeous yellow color. A very gorgeous yellow color, as you can see. The body. The design is very beautiful, and the embroidery. Let's see the border having diamonds. And the body again, leaf booties in zari and self-embossed. Let's see the pallu, ladies. It's a floral brocade pallu. And a beautiful contrast blouse. If you like this saree, please do take a screenshot along with the item code, that is AI136. I repeat the item code AI136, and the offer price is rupees 6,320 rupees only. Please do take a screenshot and send it to our WhatsApp number, that is 8900010002. On to our next saree. What a beautiful color. It's a navy blue color for you, ladies. And the body having all over floral booties. Let's see the border having paisley jal. Very intricate embroidery. Such a lovely color. And the pallu again is a brocade pallu. Let's see the blouse. It is a self blouse for you, ladies. If you like this saree and wish to purchase it, the item code for this gorgeous saree, take a screenshot along with it, that is AQ38. I repeat the item code AQ38, and the offer price is 6,880 rupees only. Take a screenshot and send it to our WhatsApp number, that is 8900010002. We have our showrooms in Telangana, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh. So please do visit our stores. If not, you can book our WhatsApp call service and see the sarees through a video call. And you can tell us your desired saree. We will deliver it at your home step. Let's move on to our next saree.
Hi guys, today I will tell you how to stay updated. Click on the settings, and go to Manage Follow settings. Standard for pose, option all for videos and live videos.
Lovely pink and blue color. The body having florals and leaves jal. Also loving the border which has peacocks, floral jal and cross lines. Very, very beautiful. And the pallu being a brocade pallu. And the blouse for this sari is a contrast blouse. If you like this sari, wish to purchase it, take a screenshot along with the item code that is AR190. I repeat the item code AR190 and the offer price is 6,640 rupees only. Take a screenshot, send it to our WhatsApp number 8900010002. Heading on, ladies, to our next sari. What a beautiful combination. It's a blue and red colored sari, as you can see. The body is having peacock booties in zari. Let's see the border, ladies. Curry with peacocks, as you can see, looks very, very elegant and beautiful. The pallu, moving ahead to the pallu, having paisley booties. Gorgeous paisley booties. Now this sari again has a contrast blouse. If you like this sari, take a screenshot along with the item code that is AR228. I repeat the item code AR228 and the offer price is 5,599 rupees only, ladies. The offer is valid only for 24 hours, so the sale prices will be valid for 24 hours. Make sure you send us all your screenshots along with your desired sari so we can deliver it as soon as possible. On to our next gorgeous sari. Such a beautiful sea green color with navy blue. Very gorgeous combination. The body having florals and leaves jal. Let's see the border, ladies. It also has leaf jal, as you can see, intricate work. Moving ahead to the pallu, which is a brocade pallu. And the blouse of this sari is a contrast blouse. If you like this sari, wish to purchase it, take a screenshot along with the item codes that is AQ, I repeat, AK530, the item code AK530 and the offer price is 9,520 rupees only. Take a screenshot along with the item code, send it to our WhatsApp number 8900010002. On to our next sari. I hope you ladies are shopping, sending on all the screenshots because we provide services all over India, shipping all over India and a special service for people living in Hyderabad. We have cash on delivery. So please make sure you book a lot of saris. On to our next sari. Again, a very nice blue and red colored sari. Very rich and elegant. Let's see the body, which has all over floral booties. All over floral booty work. Let's see the border. Cross lines with peacocks and paisleys. Honestly loving the pallu. It is a brocade pallu, ladies. And this also has a contrast blouse. If you like this sari, wish to purchase it, take a screenshot along with the item code that is AR211. I repeat, AR211 and the offer price is 8,320 rupees only. Take a screenshot, send it to our WhatsApp number 8900010002. On to our next sari. It is a very, very gorgeous green and blue colored kanchi pattu sari. Let's see the body, which has florals and leaves in jal. Also zari work. And the border having booties in boxes with floral. Such a gorgeous border, as you can see. Let's see the pallu. Again, a floral brocade pallu in zari checks. And the blouse is a contrast blouse. If you like this sari, wish to purchase it, take a screenshot along with the item code that is AO752. I repeat the item code AO752 and the offer price is 7,520 rupees only, ladies. Send a screenshot to our WhatsApp number 8900010002 through booking sarees via video call services. On to our next saree. It's a very, very beautiful red and blue colored saree. Let's see the body, which has florals and paisleys jal. And the border, which has cross lines with peacocks and florals. Loving the border of this saree, beautiful red color. Let's see the pallu, which has floral work in cross checks. The blouse for this saree is a contrast blouse. If you wish to buy the saree, take a screenshot along with the item code that is AR206. I repeat the item code AR206 and the offer price is 8,080 rupees only. Offer price 8,080 rupees only. Offer valid for only 24-hour, ladies. Make sure you send in your desired screenshot so we book the sarees for you and send it to you as soon as possible. On to our next saree. The color of this saree is beige and orange, very beautiful. It is again a Kanchi Pattu saree and the body has thread emboss all over it. Let's see the borders. Peacocks and florals with a skirt border, ladies. A unique skirt border, as you can see. And the pallu, which is a beautiful zigzag pallu, along with a contrast blouse. If you like the saree, wish to purchase it, take a screenshot along with the item code that is K855. I repeat the item code K855 and the offer price is 7,199 rupees only. Send it to our WhatsApp number that is 8900010002. On to our next saree. Before that, let me tell you, ladies, that we have different patterns, different designs and different collections for you every day. So make sure you keep yourself updated watching our lives, which are also available on our Instagram, Facebook and YouTube. In case you've missed our live, you can also go and check it out and book your desired sarees. On to our next gorgeous saree. It is a lovely color. A Kanchi Pattu saree. And the color is a wine color, looks very beautiful. Let's see the body. Feathers and huge peacock and florals in half-half. A very unique design, ladies. Also, the border of this saree is a borderless saree. And the pallu is zigzag. You can see the blouse, which is a self blouse. If you like this wine colored saree, gorgeous saree, make a screenshot along with the item code that is Q612. I repeat the item code Q612 and the offer price is 7,040 rupees only, ladies. Offer price 7,040 rupees. Take a screenshot, send it to our WhatsApp number 8900010002. This very gorgeous wine saree. On to our next saree. Beautiful pink color, looks very, very lovely. Light pink. The body has peacock butties in zari. And the border of this saree has cross lines and peacocks. Very unique, very beautiful. Let's see the pallu, which is the floral brocade pallu. And the blouse is a contrast blouse, as you can see. If you like this beautiful light pink colored saree, make a screenshot along with the item code that is AR244. I repeat, AR244, and the offer price is 5,680 rupees only. Send a screenshot to our WhatsApp number 8900010002. On to our next saree. a yellow and pink colored sari for you ladies. The body has leaf booties, very beautiful intricate leaf booties. The border again zigzag lines with florals, very rich. And the pallu is floral in lines, along with a very beautiful contrast blouse. I like the combination. I hope you do. So make a screenshot along with the item code, that is AR213. I repeat the item code AR213, and the offer price is 7,120 rupees only ladies. Offer valid only for 24 hours. Make sure you send a screenshot on our WhatsApp number, that is 8900010002. A very beautiful combination. On to our next saree. What a lovely combination ladies. Pink and navy blue. I'm in love with this saree. The body having floral booties in zari and zigzag lines, as you can see. Very beautiful, unique work. The borders are drop booties in zari. Honestly loving this saree ladies. Make sure you take screenshots. Very beautiful. Let's see the pallu. Boxes and cross lines. Very, very rich, unique. Along with a very, very beautiful contrast blouse. If you like this saree, wish to purchase it, make sure you take a screenshot along with the item code, that is Y444. I repeat the item code Y444, and the offer price is 7,680 rupees only. Send a screenshot to our WhatsApp number, that is 8900010002. On to our next saree. A bottle green color ladies, very beautiful bottle green color. The body has temple buttis in zari. The border having diamonds, very beautiful border with diamonds. And the pallu having brocade. Let's see the blouse. It is a self blouse. Beautiful work on the blouse as well. Bottle green colored saree ladies. Take a screenshot along with the item code. That is AR240. I repeat the item code AR240, and the offer price is 5,280 rupees only ladies. Very, very convenient for you to book it through WhatsApp call service. Send a screenshot to our WhatsApp number 8900010002. On to our next saree. I hope you ladies are loving the collection, because we have a lot more beautiful sarees awaiting you ladies. So take ready and be ready with the screenshots. A very beautiful peach and blue colored saree. Let's see the body, which has leaf buttis in zari. Also the border, which is a kadi border. And the pallu, which is a leaf brocade pallu. Now this beautiful saree has a contrast blouse, as you can see. Take a screenshot along with the item code if you wish to buy the saree, which is AR243. I repeat the item code AR243, and the offer price is 5,199 rupees only ladies. Very, very reasonable. Available for 24 hours. Send it to our WhatsApp number, that is 8900010002. Before moving on, let's see our gorgeous jewelry for today, ladies. The name is Shreya Ras Jewelers. They have two showrooms, one in US and one in Madhapur. Please make sure you check their jewelry, because it's very, very beautiful. Let's see the very beautiful kada I'm wearing here. Beautiful pearl work. Complements your sari very well. Make sure you check the jewelers out. We have an outlet in Madhapur, Hyderabad and one in USA, Shreya Raj Jewelers. Before moving ahead, let's go on. It's a blue and pink colored sari. The body having peacock butties in self and zari checks. The borders, as you can see, floral jal with diamonds in lines. And the pallu is a floral brocade pallu. Let's see the blouse, which is a contrast blouse. If you like the sari, wish to purchase it, take a screenshot along with the item code that is A0982. I repeat, A0982, and the offer price is 6,720 rupees only, ladies. Send a screenshot to our WhatsApp number 8900010002. Ladies, do you know how to follow us on our digital platforms? Let me show you how.
నమస్తే, నేను మీ సంగీత. నేను ఇక్కడ వరమహాలక్ష్మికి వచ్చాను. వచ్చి ఈ కలెక్షన్స్ అంతా చాలా బాగుంది, బాగా ఎంజాయ్ చేశాను. మీరు కూడా ఈ కలెక్షన్స్ చూడాలంటే ప్లీజ్ లాగ్ ఆన్ టు Kanchi VML Silks in Facebook, Insta and also on YouTube. And you can shop online freely, peacefully. And if you want to go in person, the shops are located in Telangana, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu and Andhra.
Hi guys, today I will tell you how to stay updated. Click on the settings and go to manage follow settings. Standard for posts, option all for videos and live videos.
I hope you gorgeous ladies followed how you can follow us on our digital platforms. Now let's get ahead with shopping. Gorgeous pink colored sari, Kanchi Pattu sari for you ladies. The body has flower booties in gold and copper zari. Let's see the border, which has diamonds and floral jal with paisley booties. Very beautiful intricate work. And the pallu, which is a floral brocade pallu, along with a beautiful contrast blouse. If you like the sari, wish to purchase it, take a screenshot along with the item code that is AF846. I repeat, AF846. Let's see the item code one last time, AF846. And the offer price is 5,999 only. Very reasonable offers, valid only for 24 hours. Make sure you send it on our WhatsApp number, taking a screenshot with the sari that is 8900010002. Let's move ahead to our next sari. A very beautiful blue and brown sari, as you can see. The body having self-embossed florals, gorgeous and beautiful work. Let's see the border, which is zari boxes on the border, which has all zari boxes all over. And the pallu, which is a brocade pallu. Along with a gorgeous contrast blouse. Very beautiful color. If you like the sari, wish to purchase it, take a screenshot along with the item code that is AP852. I repeat the item code, AP852, and the offer price is 7,120 rupees only. Send a screenshot to our WhatsApp number 8900010002. A very gorgeous sari. Heading on to our next gorgeous sari. It is a very, very beautiful yellow Kanchi Pattu sari, ladies. Very rich and elegant. The body has florals and peacock butties. Beautiful intricate work. Let's see the border, which has yalis, elephants and florals in cross lines. Honestly loving the border and the work. The pallu again is a leaf brocade with peacocks, very beautiful. And this saree comes with a nice contrast blouse for you. Beautiful combination. Take a screenshot along with the item code, that is AR232. I repeat the item code, AR232, and the offer price is 6,480 rupees only, ladies. Send a screenshot to our WhatsApp number 8900010002. Offer valid only for 24 hours. Make sure you send the screenshots as soon as possible so we deliver your desired saree to your doorstep. On to our next saree. A nice pink colored saree, as you can see. The body has peacocks in circles, very beautiful. Let's see the border, which is zigzag, peacock and floral design. And the gorgeous pallu, which has floral in cross checks. This gorgeous saree comes with a beautiful contrast blouse. Make sure you take a screenshot if you like this saree and wish to purchase it, along with the item code, that is AR238. I repeat the item code, AR238, and the offer price is 6,880 rupees only, ladies. Send a screenshot to our WhatsApp number 8900010002. Before moving ahead, I would like to remind you all that we have our showrooms across Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Tamil Nadu and the Karnataka. You can come down, visit our showroom personally, select your sarees physically. Otherwise, we have WhatsApp call service for you available. So you can call us, see the sarees through via video call and book your sarees. Next saree. Nice peacock green color with pink. And the body, which has peacocks and florals in boxes. Very rich design, ladies, as you can see on the body. Let's see the border of the saree. Cross lines with peacocks and florals. And the pallu, which has cross lines again. And this gorgeous saree comes with a contrast blouse. If you like this saree, wish to purchase it, take a screenshot along with the item code, that is AR242. I repeat the item code, AR242. And the offer price is 5,920 rupees only. Offer valid for 24 hours. Make sure you send the screenshot to our WhatsApp number 8900010002. Before moving ahead, I would like to show you all a beautiful saree which has amazing details. Let's see the details. Also, ladies, if you would like to know how to follow us on our digital platforms, I'll show you how. Thank you. Let's see our next saree. It's a peach colored saree, ladies, very beautiful. The body has floral booties in curvy shapes. And the border, which has florals and paisleys with zigzag lines. Let's see the pallu. Paisley and floral in lines. And a very, very beautiful colored contrast blouse. Very nice combination. Looks very elegant. If you like this sari, wish to purchase it, take a screenshot along with the item code that is AO398. I repeat the item code AO398 and the offer price is 8,799 rupees only. Very reasonable prices, ladies, available only for 24 hours. Make sure you send the screenshot to our WhatsApp number that is 8900010002. I hope you ladies are enjoying our collection. We have a lot more awaiting. Let's see next side. Beautiful, beautiful light green and navy blue, as you can see. The body is plain, ladies. Very rich, elegant, plain body. The border again has diamond butties. And the pallu, which is a brocade pallu. Heavy worked brocade pallu. Let's see the blouse, which is a gorgeous contrast blouse. If you like this sari, wish to purchase it, take a screenshot along with the item code AR239. I repeat the item code AR239 and the offer price is 7,120 rupees only. Send a screenshot to our WhatsApp number that is 8900010002. Before moving ahead, I would like to remind you ladies that the jewelry I'm wearing today is from Shreya Raj Dwellers. They have 2 showrooms in Madhapur and US. Also, my bangle, which is very, very beautiful. You can get yours from them. Looks very rich and elegant. Loving the jewelry and the sari today. Let's move on to our beautiful saris awaiting us. A beautiful yellow color, lovely color. The body has self-embossed florals and floral and cross lines on the border. The pallu also has cross lines, ladies, gorgeous. And a nice contrast blouse. If you like the sari, wish to purchase it, take a screenshot along with the item code. That is AR251. I repeat the item code AR251 and the offer price is 6,320 rupees only, ladies. Very, very reasonable prices. Make sure you send it to us before 24 hours because the offer will go null. On to our next sari. It's a very nice sari, ladies. Loving the color. Let's see the body, which has floral butties in zari checks. A nice sea green color for you. And zigzag lines and florals on the border. Again, the pallu is a floral brocade pallu with a nice pink contrast blouse. Like the color combination of sea green and pink. If you like this, want to purchase it, take a screenshot along with the item code that is AQ82. I repeat the item code AQ82 and the offer price is 6,880 rupees only, ladies. Very reasonable offers for you. Take a screenshot, send it to our WhatsApp number that is 8900010002. Just reminding you ladies that we have cash on delivery available all over Hyderabad and shipping all across India. So please make sure you do a lot of bookings through video call services or you can visit us physically. On to our next side. Nice pink color. Kanchipattu sari, ladies. The body has all over floral butties and the border which has cross lines. With a floral brocade pallu, nice and elegant. With this comes a self blouse, ladies. you like this sari, wish to purchase it, take a screenshot along with the item code. And the item code for this sari is AR253. I repeat the item code, AR253, and the offer price is 5,680 rupees only. Take a screenshot, send it to our WhatsApp number 8900010002. On to our next sari. A navy blue with magenta, nice combination. Now the body here is very beautiful. It has a forest theme, ladies, unique design. Let's see the borders, which has zigzag lines, peacocks and florals. Also the pallu, which is a leaf brocade with floral buttis. And a nice contrast blouse along with this sari. If you like this sari, which has a forest theme, take a screenshot along with the item code, that is AR219. I repeat the item code, AR219, and the offer price is 7,999 only, ladies. Offer valid for 24 hours. Make sure you send it to our WhatsApp number, that is 8900010002. Before moving ahead, I would like to show you all some details of our beautiful saris. Let's see the details. I hope you like the details of our gorgeous sari. Now let's get shopping with our next sari. A nice red colored sari, ladies. Kanchipattu sari. Let's see the body, which has floral jal with peacocks and horses. Such a beautiful design on the body, as you can see. Comes with a lovely border which has florals and leaves. And a nice pallu with florals and paisleys. With it comes with a nice contrast blouse. If you like this sari, wish to purchase it, take a screenshot along with the item code. That is AR216. I repeat the item code, AR216, and the offer price is 7,840 rupees only. Offer valid for 24 hours. Make sure you send a screenshot to our WhatsApp number 8900010002. Hope you ladies are enjoying shopping, because I have a lot more amazing saris awaiting you all. A very nice light green and beige colored sari, ladies. The body has self floral jal and paisleys. And the border having diamonds and florals. Also the pallu, which is a nice floral brocade pallu. Comes with it a nice contrast blouse, beige color. A nice combination, ladies, looks elegant. Let's see the item code for this sari. AR201. I repeat the item code, which is AR201, and the offer price is 7,120 rupees only. Offer valid for 24 hours. Make sure you take a screenshot along with the item code and send it to our WhatsApp number 8900010002. Before going ahead, I would like to invite the new viewers who are here and want to tell about my jewelry which I am wearing today. It is from Shreya Raj Jewelers. They have their showrooms across Madhapur in India and in USA, so you can get amazing collections of jewelry from them. Now let's focus on our gorgeous saris again. A nice red and purple colored sari. Nice combination. The body has all over floral butties. And the border which has cross lines and paisleys. A gorgeous pallu which has huge floral butties. A very nice design. And a very beautiful contrast blouse with this. If you like this sari, wish to purchase it, take a screenshot along with the item code. That is AR204. I repeat the item code AR204. And the offer price is 6,880 rupees only. Send a screenshot to our WhatsApp number, that is 8900010002, onto our next sari. A light colored sari now, cream color with pink borders. The body has floral butties in zari. Let's see the border. Diamonds and floral jal. Nice pink colored border. And the pallu with floral butties in cross checks. Also comes with a nice contrast blouse, pink colored. Looks very elegant with the cream and pink combination. If you like this sari, wish to purchase it, take a screenshot along with the item code AI588. I repeat the item code, which is AI588. And the offer price is 8,480 rupees only. Take a screenshot, send it to our WhatsApp number 8900010002. I would like to remind you ladies that we have our showrooms across Tamil Nadu, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka. You can come down, see the saris for yourself, or else we have a nice video call service available for you ladies. So you can see the saris through yourself through a live call and take screenshots, send it to our WhatsApp number, that is 8900010002. So we can send across your desired saris to your doorstep. On to our next sari. Magenta and purple. I love this color. Let's see the body, which has self floral butties in cross checks. And the border, which has paisley butties and cross lines. A nice lovely border. The pallu comes with a brocade work, as you can see ladies, nice brocade work. And a contrast blouse. Let's see the details for this gorgeous sari. If you like this, take a screenshot along with the item code P689. The item code of this sari is P689. And the offer price is 5,599 only. Offer valid for 24 hours ladies. Send a screenshot on our WhatsApp number 8900010002. I hope you ladies are shopping. Different patterns yet awaiting you. On to our next sari. A peach and sea green sari for you ladies. The body has floral butties in zari and self checks. Let's see the border. A sea green color border. Look at the self checks on the body. Peacocks and floral lines on the border, and the pallu comes with florals and diamonds in lines. With this comes a very nice contrast blouse. Let's see the details. If you like this sari and wish to purchase it, take a screenshot along with the item code AO990. I repeat the item code AO990, and the offer price is 7,199 rupees only. Offer valid for 24-hour ladies. Send it to our screenshot on our WhatsApp number 8900010002. We offer cash on delivery services all over Hyderabad and all across shipping in India. So please make sure you send us your desired saris on our WhatsApp number. On to our next sari. A nice green colored sari ladies. It's light green and the body has peacocks in circles. Let's see the border having zigzag lines with peacocks and florals. Comes with this, the pallu, florals in cross checks. Very nice, looks very elegant, rich, lovely color. and comes a contrast blouse. If you like the sari, wish to purchase it, take a screenshot along with the item code. And the item code is AR245. I repeat the item code AR245 and the offer price is 6,880 rupees, ladies. We have wonderful offers running for you. Please make sure you take screenshots and send it to our WhatsApp number 8900010002. Offer valid only for 24 hours. On to our next sari. A nice red color. The body has florals and leaves, as you can see. It's a nice kanchi pattu sari. The border again has floral jal with peacocks and elephants. Nice intricate design. Comes with this, a floral butti worked pallu. And a very nice contrast blouse. If you like the sari, wish to purchase it, take a screenshot along with the item code, that is AR208. I repeat the item code AR208 and the offer price is 8,640 rupees only, ladies. Offer is valid only for 24 hours, so please make sure you send it to our WhatsApp number, that is 8900010002. On to our next side. It's a nice sari, as you can see, green color with pink borders, combination of green and pink. The body has floral buttis in zari. Let's see the borders, zigzag lines and polka dots with temples. A very nice, beautiful border, ladies. And the sari is green and pink. The pallu has diamonds and florals in checks. Comes with this, a gorgeous contrast blouse. If you like the sari, wish to purchase it, take a screenshot along with the item code, that is AR192. I repeat the item code AR192 and the offer price is 6,399 rupees only. Send a screenshot to our WhatsApp number 8900010002. We make it very convenient for you, ladies, through WhatsApp call service. Just send us the desired screenshots and we'll give you the details of the sari, shipping all across India and cash on delivery available in Hyderabad. Let's see our next sari. It's a very light sari, ladies. A unique color which is onion pink and olive green combination. The body of this sari is self-embossed. I really like the border. It has florals and leaves. Looks very nice with the onion pink color. And the pallu which has zigzag lines, ladies. Comes with this, a nice contrast blouse. If you like the sari, wish to purchase this unique combination of onion pink, send a screenshot to our WhatsApp number along with the item code, that is AR218. AR218 and the offer price is 7,440 rupees only, ladies. Send it to our screenshot now. Send a screenshot to our WhatsApp number 8900010002. Before moving ahead, I would like to tell you, ladies, that there are ways to follow us on our digital platforms. If you don't know yet, I will show you how.
Hi guys, today I will tell you how to stay updated. Click on the settings and go to manage follow settings. Standard for posts, optional for videos and live videos.
We make it very convenient so you can follow us on our digital platforms like Insta, Facebook, and you can watch our lives. If you have missed it, we have them recorded, so you can select your saris and send it to our WhatsApp number. Let's go ahead with our next sari. A mustard and pink colored sari, ladies, kanchi pattu sari. The body has peacock buttis. Let's see the border of this sari, which has peacocks and unicorns in boxes. A very unique design which has unicorns and peacocks. The pallu again has leaf buttis in cross checks. Comes with this, a very beautiful contrast blouse, pink color. If you like this saree, wish to purchase it, take a screenshot along with the item code. That is AR247. I repeat the item code AR247, and the offer price is 5,599 rupees only, ladies. Offer valid only for 24 hours. Send a screenshot to our WhatsApp number 8900010002. On to our next saree. Green and navy blue colored saree, ladies. Lovely color. The body has florals and leaves in jal and self-emboss. Let's see the borders. It's a very, very unique border, ladies. Geometrical shapes in skirt border. It's a very unique design. Geometrical shapes, as you can see. And the pallu, which has paisleys and florals in lines. Comes with this, a very, very beautiful contrast blouse for you. It's a very unique saree, ladies. Make sure you take a screenshot along with the item code. Send it to our WhatsApp number T226. I repeat the item code T226, and the offer price is 7,199 rupees only. Send a screenshot to our WhatsApp number 8900010002. On to our next saree. A very nice blue color. It's a combination of two blues, ladies, blue and navy blue, and the body has peacock buttees in checks. Let's see the border, which has cross lines, yalis and florals. The pallu is a floral brocade pallu, along with a nice contrast blouse. It's a combination of two blues, ladies, a unique color. Let's see the screenshot along with the item code. That is AR225. I repeat the item code AR225, and the offer price is 5,920 rupees only. Offer valid again for only 24 hours. Make sure you send it to our WhatsApp number 8900010002. I hope you ladies are liking the sarees. A rich combination. Let's see our next saree. Orange color rich combination saree. The body has floral buttees in zari. And the border, which has kadi with floral jar. Let's see the pallu, which has floral buttees in kadi. Now the blouse for this saree, ladies, is a self blouse, can be designed. A very nice orange color. If you like the saree, wish to purchase it, take a screenshot along with the item code. Item code is AM844. I repeat the item code AM844. And the offer price is 7,520 rupees only. Offer valid for 24 hours. Make sure you send a screenshot to our WhatsApp number 8900010002. Reminding you for one last time that we have our showrooms in Tamil Nadu, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka. So please make sure you visit our stores or book your sarees through WhatsApp call. On to our next saree. Now this is the final saree for today, ladies. Very beautiful combination of pink and green. The body is plain, ladies, as you can see. Let's see the borders, which has zari boxes with a skirt border. Let's see our pallu, which has dollar buttees and cross checks. A very nice border and a pallu. Comes with it a contrast blouse, which is pink in color. If you like this saree, wish to purchase it, take a screenshot along with the item code, that is AR191. I repeat the item code AR191, and the offer price is 7,120 rupees only. And a screenshot to our WhatsApp number, that is 8900010002. Let's move ahead to the sarees on the mannequins. It's a peach and navy blue colored saree. Nice combination. The body has paisley buttees in zari. The border, as you can see, has peacocks and florals with temples. The pallu also has floral buttis, ladies, and the blouse is a contrast blouse. Let's see the details for the sari, and the item code is AR195. I repeat, the item code AR195, and the offer price is 7,440 rupees only, valid for 24 hours. Send a screenshot to our WhatsApp number 8900010002. Let's see our next sari, a nice yellow color. Kanchi
Hi guys, today I will tell you how to stay updated. Click on the settings and go to manage follow settings. Standard for posts, option all for videos and live videos.
and the border having floral in boxes with a skirt border, very beautiful and elegant. The pallu again has huge paisleys with florals and cross checks, comes with a contrast blouse. A peach contrast blouse. Let's see the details of this, and the item code is AR230. I repeat, the item code AR230, and the offer price is 7,680 rupees only. Offer valid 24 hours, ladies. Send a screenshot to our WhatsApp number 8900010002. Coming to an end with the last very beautiful sari. It is a bottle green with pink. The body has self-embossed with peacocks. Reasonable, 5,920 rupees only. Offers are valid only for 24 hours, ladies. Please make sure you take screenshots as soon as possible, sending to our WhatsApp number 8900010002. That brings us to an end of today's live session of Kanchipattu sarees. Before ending this session, I would like to tell you all one last time that the jewelry I'm wearing is from Shreya Raj Dwellers. Very beautiful combinations they have. They have their showrooms in Madhapur in Hyderabad and one in USA. Please make sure you check them out. I hope you enjoyed today's live session. I will be back tomorrow with another collection, bringing you ladies beautiful sarees. So stay safe. Thank you.
Hi guys, today I will tell you how to stay updated. Click on the settings and go to manage follow settings. Standard for posts, option all for videos and live videos.